Hello, today I'm going to use Inkscape so I can show you how to turn a regular JPG into like a multicolor layer SVG. So we're going to go to File, you're going to hit Open, find your folder up here. If not, then you can look also through here. Mine's already there. Let's find a two-color image. Make it simple. I don't want to jump into a very complex one and then people can't follow. So let's do just a simple two-color one. Let's see. Oh, this one should work right here. See, just black and pink. Head open. Hit OK. Make your screen bigger. And do it again. All right, so let's select the image. Have to make sure the image is selected. Up top, between object and text, you're going to select path. Once you select the path, find trace bitmap. You're going to unselect smooth. You're going to leave stack scans on because you have multiple layers. You're going to hit remove background and live preview. Then you're going to come here, it says brightness steps, colors, grays. You're going to select colors. If you look on the right, it says number of scans. And then you're going to lower this number all the way down. Then start going up by 1 until you get your 2 colors. Okay? Even though it says 3, 1 is always like the base. Minimum will always be 2. So if you're only doing 1 color, it will still only say 2. So in this case, it'll be 3 because we have 2 colors. Select OK. And as you can see, let me hit OK again. All right, you can close this. Now when you select and you move your image to the side, you see where your SVG is formed. See it's see-through. See the line behind the image. That's how you know it worked. All right, move that off to the side. Click the original, right click, and then cut. Bring back your SVG into the box. And we are not done yet. It's already done, but I want you to see the next step. So while it's selected, go to Object, Ungroup, and now as you see, there's 2 selections. And I'm going to show you why. Unselect everything by clicking off to the side. Click on Awesome and pull that off to the side and you'll see what I mean. Now you can leave it like this if you like, and you could just press one layer over the other one. I personally don't like doing that. So I'm going to press Ctrl Z to put it back in its place. Ctrl Z is undone. And if you undo, and then if you hit Ctrl Shift and Z, then it's like undo the redo. So what you do now is you come up here. See, the black is selected. So you want to select the pink. See, now the pink one is selected. Come down here to the bottom left. There's a erasing tool. Select that. And don't worry, it's not going to delete your image. If you have the pink only selected, then the image won't erase. But if it's not working, then just hit Ctrl Z and make sure the pink is selected. So what you're going to do is you're going to come in and trace the whole black completely. Take your time. And like I said, if you mess up, just hit Ctrl Z. And this is what this is doing, is just deleting the awesome that's behind that is in pink. So that your layer still stays in the spot that it's supposed to stay, but not have that extra layer in there. Sorry, it's going so slow, it's hard to do while I'm recording. If I was doing it just on the computer, it takes me 2 seconds, but I'm almost done. Make sure you get everything. You can always also, you don't have to do this in one pass. You can just do it a little bit at a time. And it's done. How you check is to make sure the image is selected. You go to Object, ungroup. And as you can see, there were 2 layers selected. So you're going to grab awesome. If that ever happens, just comes back up here and just click the arrow on the top left. That happens when you double click. Select awesome and then pull it away. And now you can see you have 2 layers. If you want to put it back, say Control Z and it goes back. And you're done. Now all you have to do is save it. You're going to click on File. You got to save as. Then you're going to name the image Awesome Nurse. You're going to select Save As Type. It's the second one, plain SVG. Find the folder you want to save it in. You can do it up here, or here, or here. Mine's already there because I do this a lot. Then see, it's all my SVG folder. This is how SVG saves. It has no image. So when you save it, go back again, File, Save As type, change that to Cairo PNG. And why I do it like this is because even though if you do a PNG and then you go to Cricut, then you have to then unselect the background and other stuff, and it creates all these little mistakes and crap. And I find that it's better to just save it as an SVG and it skips the whole step. So yeah, I hit save again, so like that when I go into that folder, I can see the image that I'm looking for without having to look for the name, and then select the one that says SVG that has no picture. And pretty much that's it. You're done. And once again, I'll show you object, ungroup, and as you can see, you have 2 layers. So now when you're gonna print, you print the pink and then you print the black. And you could either put it on yourself, or you could create registration marks, and if you're doing a sticker, and go from there. So I hope this has been pretty helpful. I know a lot of people have been having a lot of problems creating their own SVG, so I decided to just make some videos, and hopefully this will help some beginners create their own. Inkscape is free. You can just go to Google and type Inkscape and download this small program, and it's completely free. And there's many things you could do with this. You could create logos, you could create a lot of things. So I hope this helps. Have a good day.